What is up guys, it's your boy Bluggz, and today I'm gonna be showing you like another tutorial video how to get more FPS in creative destruction, get smooth gameplay. Alright, so first I have like 3 4 tips. So first tip is like go in your game settings, creative destruction settings. In system, make sure you have a graphics on low because like, it doesn't make sense having a graphics on high. You can have it on low and choose colorful and your game will look wonderful. So the best thing to do, have a graphics on low, your frame rate on ultra, so you can get all the frames you want and your graphics set on colorful. So that's the first tip. The in-game next tip is to download this software. I'll leave a link in the description. Timer resolution. So you download it, install, and then run it, and then click on maximum. It will be on default. Click on maximum. So this would like increase your response time for your CPU, your graphics card and shit, and your keyboard and your mouse and thing. So then when you click on maximum, you have to minimize it when you have your game on. That's what you have to do, and that's the second tip. So third tip now is to play stretchers. I have a video on how to do that, so check out the video to get the stretchers. Stretchers is very good for FPS, gives you very good FPS. And the third tip is to go in your settings, your computer settings. So Windows, press Windows I to go in your settings. The one that I could just, if you know the other way. So then go to system and then hit in the settings. On display tab, scroll along until you see graphic settings. Then click on your graphic settings and it'll take you to this here. So you can really customize graphics performance for specific applications. So you see, I have creative destruction. So what you do, you browse, click on browse, and find where you have the app downloaded to. If you don't know, I'll show you how. So you find where you have the game downloaded to, which part, find it, and then you click on it and then you click on add. So if you don't know where it is, just your Windows. If you don't find it here, you could just right click here and more and then open file location to find that. And so when I add it now, go click on options. And I add it, you click on it. Let me show you. Click on options, then here click on high performance and save. So this is going to make your graphics card focus more on creative destruction. So you get smooth gameplay. The games it will look nice and shit. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope we get lots of FPS. If we get FPS, I make sure I guarantee you that we get FPS from these tips. Make sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Peace.
Press start.